Good day, guys. Yeah, my name is Eric. My name is Eric Asimwe. You can follow me on Facebook. You can follow me on TikTok Messenger. Yeah, today I want to show you how you can change your ringtone for Messenger. Yeah, then you have to come here to Messenger, click up to this click here up. You come click here up, then you go in settings, you scroll down, you see notification and sounds. Click on notification and sounds. You click notification and sound, then you scroll, you come here, first one, ringtone. You click on ringtone. The first you're going to find this ringtone here. And if you want to change, like me, I put this song, you can change. That's how you can change it, because I know someone use this one on Messenger. Just you can use anyone. You type it up. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to follow me and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name of YouTube is Eric.
My YouTube, please subscribe. My TikTok, please follow me. I will follow you back.